Hey, if you've ever dreamed of making money while you sleep, then you need to stick around, because today I'm going to show you the top 3 passive income ideas you can start today. Yes, today. I'm talking about ways that actually work in 2025, not some outdated methods that people throw around on the internet just to get clicks. And the best part, you don't need to be a millionaire, you don't need a fancy degree, and you don't need to quit your day job, you just need to take action. But before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and smash the like button, because I drop videos every week that show you how to grow your wealth, master money, and level up your lifestyle, and you do not want to miss them. Alright, let's get straight into it. Number 1, high interest online savings and investment accounts. Now, you might be thinking, wait, how is a savings account passive income? But hear me out. In 2025, there are online banks and investment platforms offering interest rates that are way higher than your average bank, some even close to 6-7 annually. Platforms like Insert Top Current platforms allow you to deposit money and watch it grow automatically. The key here is consistency and compounding. Even if you start with just $100 a month, over a year that adds up, and the magic happens over time. The sooner you start, the more the power of compound interest works in your favor. But don't just put your money anywhere, always check the platform's credibility and read the reviews, because passive income is only good if it's safe income. Think of this as planting a tree. You water it now, but the shade and fruit come later. Number 2, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another game changer for passive income. Basically, you promote someone else's product online, and when people buy through your link, you earn a commission. It sounds simple, but the trick is doing it strategically. You don't need thousands of followers on Instagram or TikTok to start. You can use YouTube, blogs, or even email lists. The secret sauce is picking the right products that people actually want and need. For example, in the finance niche, you can promote budgeting apps, investment platforms, or online courses. The more value you give, the more people trust your recommendations, and the more money you make without having to create your own product. And once your system is set up, the income keeps coming, even when you're sleeping, traveling, or spending time with your family. That's the beauty of passive income. It works while you live your life. Number 3, digital products and online courses. If you have a skill, knowledge, or expertise, you can package it as a digital product or online course. This is by far one of the highest earning passive income strategies in 2025, because once you create the product, you can sell it repeatedly with little extra effort. Think about what people are constantly searching for: online skills, tips, hacks, templates, cheat sheets, or even motivational guides. You can create a mini course on budgeting, investing, or side hustles and sell it on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or even your own website. The best part is, after the initial work of creating the course, the income is mostly automated. You might spend a week building it, but then it can generate revenue for months or even years with the right marketing. And yes, you can start small. Even a $20 mini guide sold to hundreds of people can turn into thousands of dollars over time. Now, I want you to pause for a second and imagine this. What if you had all 3 streams working together? Your high-interest savings compounding quietly, your affiliate marketing bringing in commissions automatically, and your digital product earning money day and night. That's not just passive income, that's financial freedom in the making. And I know it sounds overwhelming, but here's the truth. The key is to start with one. Pick the one that excites you the most, start today, and master it. Once it's working, layer the next one on top. That's how millionaires build wealth, and it works for regular people too. Before I continue, let me give you a few insider tips to make these passive income streams work faster. Automation is everything. Use tools and apps that help you schedule, manage, and track your income without constant effort. Consistency beats intensity. Even small amounts invested regularly outperform huge amounts invested once. Reinvest profits. Instead of spending everything you earn, reinvest part of it to grow your income faster. Learn from experts. Follow people who have proven success in each area. Watch tutorials, read case studies, and join communities. And here's the thing, while these methods are legal and proven, the real power comes from taking action immediately. Don't wait for Monday, don't wait for your next paycheck, don't wait for some perfect moment. The best moment is now. Even small steps compound into life-changing results over time. Now, if you're serious about passive income, here's a bonus for you. Combine these ideas with YouTube or social media growth. For example, make videos reviewing your affiliate products or teaching your audience about finance tips. That way, you can drive traffic, build authority, and earn money at the same time. People love to watch how to content, and if you position yourself as a helpful guide, you can turn views into income. This is exactly what top creators do. They leverage content to feed multiple streams of passive revenue. So let's recap quickly before I finish this video. Number 1, high interest online savings and investment accounts, safe, easy, and compounding money. Number 2, affiliate marketing, promote products and earn commissions on autopilot. Number 3, digital products and online courses, sell knowledge repeatedly without extra work. Now here's your challenge. Pick one idea from today's video, commit to starting it this week, and take at least one actionable step. Even if it's just opening an account, signing up for an affiliate program, or outlining your first mini course, take action today. Remember, ideas alone don't make money, action does. And if you're ready to take your financial journey to the next level, make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit that like button, and comment below with the passive income idea you're going to start first. I want to see what you choose, and I'll personally give you tips in the comments to help you get started. Finally, don't forget, the world is changing fast, and opportunities like this don't wait. Start small, stay consistent, and watch as your money starts working for you. This is your chance to build true financial freedom, one passive income stream at a time. And who knows, in just a few months, you could be looking back at today and saying, "Thank God I started when I did." So go ahead, take that first step today. Start with 1, maybe 2, and grow from there. You've got this. And remember, the power of passive income is in your hands, but it only works if you actually start. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we dive even deeper into money, wealth, and financial freedom. Now go out there and start building your empire, because your future self will thank you.